Good afternoon, this is Rich Nelson with Allendale. This is the comments here for Wednesday, February 1st of 2012 here. Of course, as far as grain markets, we did have some higher trade today, anywhere from corn up 3, beans up 8, and wheat up 8 3/4. Part of this was certainly from outside market influence. We did have the U.S. dollar pushing to new lows for its current downtrend. Today's last trade I have down 40 points here for the U.S. dollar index. Crude down about 80, gold up about $6 here. So certainly some of that support fed into the grain markets here today. Also, we do have a slew of just kind of news which popped out over the past few days of slightly supportive grain news. Anywhere from expectations for reductions for production for Argentina as well as Brazil. We have, of course, tomorrow's announcement from Russia. Will they have this grain tariff, grain export tariff enacted? That will be coming out here tomorrow. Also, we have even new news regarding freight rates as they hit new lows, not just for the year, but in fact, lowest freight rates we now have for probably the past 4 to 5 years at least. So that's also supportive. The biggest questions we have right now is, and this is probably leading up to part of the support in the recent days, is what will USDA do with exports for corn, soybeans, and wheat on next week's report? Certainly with reductions for South American production on corn and soybeans, USDA has a chance of actually adding to export totals for U.S. corn and soybeans as well. And certainly we have some questions regarding what to do with wheat exports here. Will these people have some problems with production, meaning Ukraine? Or will the Russian potential export tariff have some impact on U.S. Wheat export numbers as well? So certainly all these kind of lead into one question, and that is U.S. wheat, corn, and soybean exports. So we'll have our own decision on this issue here tomorrow when we release, of course, our own estimates for next week's report from USDA. And, of course, that will be out next Thursday here. As far as livestock markets, we got cattle up 65 cents on the April contract. We did see a mix to higher trade for wholesale beef. Biggest thing for the cattle market is all eyes are looking towards this kind of blizzard snowstorm, which is set for Friday morning. It's going to dump anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of snow. They say potential winds anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour. So potential blizzard-like conditions impacting roads, impacting cattle performance, and other issues here. And like I said, that's going to hit Friday and run all day Friday into Saturday morning here. So that's the biggest thing we're looking at right now in cattle. Will the snowstorm actually hold its ground, or will it actually be a bust, as some others have here? For the hog side, up about $1.47 on the April contract. This is actually 2 days now of very surprising, very strong gains posted for April hogs. Key thing we're looking at right now is this surprising resurgence in cash pork prices. Prices are up strong yesterday. There is talk that they are going to be a little higher again here today. So we'll have to see what this 3 p.m. release from USDA suggests as far as today's wholesale pork prices. But biggest thing we're looking at right now, and certainly for all you guys who are subscribers, take a look at our own estimates for next week's USDA supply-demand report. And the biggest thing, like I said, is will USDA make some changes on grain export numbers for corn, soybeans, and wheat? And if you are subscribers, you will get a chance to look at that. Those will be released tomorrow, so we'll get that out as soon as possible. Any question about markets, marketing in general, or trading, feel free to give us a call here at Allendale, 1-800-262-7538.